My name is Davion Ziere Colbert. You can call me Zai. I am from Oakland, California, graduated in 2014, and I studied between the business school and the college with a focus on film and media management. Before I started Emory, I imagined myself just being someone who made the world a better place. So Emory prepared me for my professional life in that it gave me the opportunity to create things that I didn't see. So that started in some ways in my freshman year in RHA, being able to make sure that every residence hall had vacuum cleaners, and we got card swiping machines on the vending machines as well as the washer and dryers, because a lot of students didn't have change. That evolved into things like advocating for food trucks on campus. And beyond all of that, it turned into building community. I created a group called Change at Emory. There were a couple of us that started it. It was a group that sort of united different faculty leaders, administrative leaders, student leaders from different parts of the campus to sort of get on one accord about accountability between departments. So let's say a professor felt like it took too long to be able to collaborate with another department. Well, that was something that we created to make it easier for those sort of changes to occur. Before graduating, I started something called Core Culture Group. Core stood for Creators, Originators, Renewers, and Entrepreneurs. The whole point of starting Core was to create a community where students who wanted to pursue a passion could find a way to do that. We connected students to opportunities in creative fields, and we leveraged each other's networks to work together. And that evolved ultimately into the work that I'm doing today. So today I'm the CEO of Culturebase, where we work to ensure our communities can leverage their culture and data as an asset. And so I really feel like being allowed the agency to create at Emory and be supported in making those things happen, very vital and pivotal in my career and just who I am today. As an Emory alumni, what I feel pride in about the school the most would have to be the diversity of people that I not only encountered but built lasting relationships with. That would include friends of mine that I still spend time with to this day, as well as mentors, people I feel like I can reach out to as an alumni. Even if someone just started working here and I reach out and I say I'm an alumni, I feel like there's a level of support that they're willing to provide.